Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 16th of March afternoon analysis. Today is the Fed day. This evening, just a couple of hours later, we will just receive the data from Fed officials and we will just see what will happen on the next months. So right now we are on the chart of dollar index. We will just start with that one. And then we will just go ahead with our oil and gold chart. We will just go ahead like that. As you can see here, it just like it got closer to 99 and $40 40 point level, then decline, another decline. But if you just ask me, this is kind of just getting ready for big jump. Reason for this, when they announce the rate hike, I don't think like a dollar index will just like lose value, because it should get value. That's the correct one. That's only one slight chance. Market makers just say that we were expecting 0.50 and it just released as 0.25, and we have priced that one already, so it's the right time to sell off that one and then just make some profit taken. They may just think like that, but it's just a slight chance. If you just ask me, these will just go up with rate rise. It's just in the middle of that one, slightly can come down, but then the expectation is to go up with interest rate high. That's the expectation. Let's look at our gold chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Alright, we are on the gold chart right now. As you can see here, gold is just trying to hold its gain on this 1911 level. But if you just ask me, it's not possible to keep holding these one with these high interest rates. This war scenario is just keeping it fresh on high levels, but on long term, it's not possible to hold at this level. Main reason, it doesn't have any interest income. Right now, US 10-year bond yield is over 2%, and with rate hike, it will just come closer to maybe 3%, and that real yields will be something not to miss. So people will just sell gold when things start to settle down between Russia and Ukraine, and then they will just turn to US bonds. Even tonight, I'm just assuming that one of the most affected precious metal will be gold and silver. They will be affected heavily. Just want to show you that one. As you can see here, it is trying the low levels, and each one is just getting a deep buyer, a reaction from here, but with a sharp volume, I don't think it will just manage to stay above. And the next step, the next point to keep it up is 1875 level. We may see that level tonight in gold. So please just watch carefully, and then if you have the chance and if you see the decline, you can just take profit from that one. But after this sell-off, it will be really big sell-off. As you can see here, it will be around $200 sell-off. Then a reaction from this level can be seen in gold prices. Let's look at oil. All right, we are on the chart of oil, just similar as gold. As you can see here, dollar index is just if it just goes higher, then it can pressurize this one. On Monday, online talks, video conference talks has started between Russia and Ukraine, and still going on. They have just breaking some technical breaks just for eating something, some sleeping and then some resting. Then they just went it. And the first news is just expecting, investors are just expecting some good results from these talks If that happens, it just goes down. If it doesn't happen, so there's another scenario: Venezuela, Iran, and some other Middle Eastern countries. So this is also other scenarios to keep the prices, to push the prices down. Why I'm saying this one? Because if Biden administration cannot find a solution to these high oil prices, and they will lose their reputation in this one. And this year, there's a midterm election in November, so it's critical for them to surpass these high oil prices. That's important. All right, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news. As I said, if dollar index just rise fast and then pass over 940 levels, then we will just see the pressure on oil prices as well, because there's a reverse correlation between them. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.